Remakeup the Ajwi Kamdai Balbing. Ukrul District Kharay the Tony Enterprise where asing the paper manufacturing industry help Kharay. Indo Myanmar nga vapin roga jili makamya dra kanang wa haila center shokana didak manga jethura Arunachal Pradesh ena Manipur le pilot projects help Kharay. Sugar Department Cycle with Craven Street Reso Platform Semda India with one nation, one border Shohaira. Lake Kangtor added the Tangkhul Express with Ayahclear Kharay in a Bami Lake, Bao being my sign and an armsa. Ukrul District Kharay at a Tony Enterprise with asing the paper manufacturing industry Shohaira. Chewy paper machine can installs at the industry the Ayahclear Kahira. Tony Enterprise with Akava honest Ninkan Longharna Kahang, paper install Gasahi, eco-friendly Salaga, climate change, Kangasungli Yang Laga industry he, Lingagana the Hanga. Tony Enterprise to Ukrul Dizi Kang Zuring Land at Target Kami Kala, Agabji Targajigat Seha Secretary George, Humbung Parish Priest, Reverend Father Lee Jonas Hamia. Ranji Jili Ukrul DFO Ashanyamna Kayawo Sadavatsanga. Ukrul District Hili Kapim Aina Tangdamba Sam Shogrol Gaji Adam Hitaran, Ninkan honest the paper industry Hikata Lingaga Taylagaring Palaga the DFO Jinahanga. Dizi Gang Zuring Lana Kahang, Hikata entrepreneur shock White Crayway and a Gasadraga Haina. Itum we ram hilly import export balance Malamana. Itum we later collect resource, Itum Nagaji, Mama like White disease Nagazum Sanga. Larry Kaya them Kwimang Maningla Gankana skills lila, Ningsang Kawai Zuring Lana Gasatsanga. Gazip Jili Temayoti Aungshi General Manager DIZ Ukrul and Kamchong Navatsanga. Ranji Jili MSME scheme Maram La Page Tater, Jigata scheme we Gapasing Quilo Gajila Hangsanga. Industry Akashura Jaka Forest Clearance NOZ Gitata, Zaikana Shuran Gajungalaya, Jigata documents Pelaga Otsak Vaihila, Malang Manada, Yarili Hangchtea. Industry Jili Arihon Tissue Beber Sem Shogragala, Quality Matala Gahai Semrachia. Anna Sem Kushok Aduryomi Kawai Ukrul, Pungjam, Kamchong Lila, outlets Haimi Kawai Narandale. Ariri Agab Agai Haimida Kalemang Maningla, Rakara Adamle Awi Hakamaya Ningrin later Agab Agai Jungmai Kyungrajia. Tony Enterprise Paper Manufacturing Industry G Waste Recycle Sagakui Paper Semshogi Gajina. Ijijawi Ningajang Aming La Design and Customized La Sabaira Ninkan Honest Lunghana Hangsanga. Free movement regime Kamlaga Indo Myanmar Vapin Ragajili Makamaya Drakanangavau Hailala, Sender Shogana to Dag Dag Haimanga Jaitura. 1,642 km Kasang, Indo Myanmar border bait fencing Saragaji. Union Home Minister Amichana, Adawantang Hangli Shitaira, Kalaji Wivang, Surveillance Matame Kawai Petrol Gazette. Shongfoot Drag Samsung Rajidale. Fencing Huey, Hybrid Surveillance System Pilot Projects Kani Quigadale. HSS pilot project Chui asing the Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur Indo Myanmar Taribam kilometer above fencing Sarada Amichana Hanga. Fencing Oji 20 km Shika Manipuli Hapok Kawai approved Sahira Chui Od Masangla Hapok Hore the Shana Hanga. Indian regime now being the Maringa Park Shogali Hangala Ji Yang Sang Kamili. Decentralized system Quirada India with one nation, one border Shomi Hira. Central we renew, state we renew, Cycle we unified grievance redressal platform Sakawai, centralized public grievances redress and monitoring system Haimiragala, Chi, bgborder.government.in Livapaira. India we reach now Gajivana grievances Kalay central ministries, departments, state governments, union territories, Cycle we CP Cramsli Mikabaira. System Chi ministry department Gajivana sing by the concerned authorities Pina Yang Sang System Jili Central in a state with grievances officers 1.3 lakh gada Jansang Haidale. CB Crams his state union territories Gaika with grievances porter Lila Masunda Haimia. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGS with budget Luba 60,000 crore Aina Semhaira. Hangda Kalaihi 2023-24 budget estimate Liga Zangna. Budgetary allocation chungmaida first supplementary demand for grant lilaba 74,524.29 crore aina semhaidale. Itumna thei by MGNREGS demand clay atishuda high commi wage employment scheme ngasada state utility funds committee agreed to labor budget kala state with performance atishuda mia. Ot kasa atishuda ministry na additional funds dargar kasa Ministry of Finance lipoya. Kumgumli Otman Gagahina workers bingli Masazu Kawai Ministry of Rural Development na ngalangman chief financial year kajida consumer price index for agricultural labor li ngahelaga ngachemi michia wage rate katharji financial year we kaying direct akhathang aina chapna phoka Chithalala State UT the Central Government with rate li handmade la samibaya Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act atishuda ngalangman huida kami compensation la leya master roll shunghai witili tharada gatruga chimiksho kan hailaga mathar kami ngalangman chiwi 0.05% thangthang madai sangmigi gachana da hanga Maram Union Minister of State for Rural Development Sadvi Niranjan Jwadina Rajya Sabali kapit misanga Ajagajang Assam Rifles personnel na Nagana Akali Zakshilage na Xiaomi Gahaili NSANIM na Kantem Sahira. Ocho Jidarik Tumratang Pungatum Shikali Kashokna. Itum the Paningong by Sansak Road Junction List Station Gasa, 3rd Assam Rifle Bara military personnel na Dige Korungtang Maringala DS Morandi to Quilaga Xiaomi da Odla Gabon Twig Haina. Jandal Police Station the conditions Zakshilage na Quirazada Dige Korungtang link along the emergency medical attention webang in Falquita Hawachi. Maram Hiwang CNBO na Kantem Kasa Kashok Atishuda Dige Korungtang na Laisa Quivang Pungzat Kasalabal Lag Mati Bara military personnel Jina Kwimi Hawa Gala Anina Gypsy Thousand Kasajla Kwimi Hawa NSANIM na Janpur Shokta Kayon Bakale Nauli Rin Laga Reka Craig Lan Gapon Katui Otsa Kimija Mira Maning Manada Makamaya Pungshokhaira Yom Kasajali Kazang Assam Rifles personnel Jali to Quida Miran Dandimi Palongra Reka Craig Gala Gapon Katui Kangasun IBC we Azingli Burger Bible Purungra the NSANIM na Hangsanga Imphal East District Shong Ajahun Thang Tumukong Li Kangagap Shok Haitili Tangha Mashang Lagugi Zo militants na Idam Moirang Bureli attack Kasa Shokli Hera Idam Moirang Bureli Aya Tsingthan Lambung Katum Mina Tarashikali attack Kasanaji Atumna Village Defense Volunteers Kala Security Forces de target Kasana da Hanga attack Kasali Ngarugda Security Forces Nangakap Kai Mahilage na mi Sagazabang Masampang Mana Ajahon Tarik Turuk Tangla, Molham Kuki Village Chong Aina, Gada Kutlai Kasingbina, Sand Mining Bum Nongdam Tangkhul Aina, Tumukong Mite Village, Madagli Nongmay Kapshoga. Kutlai Kangatan Bing China, Sidui Ot Kasana Bingle Nongmay Ena Gagam Kal, Chilila Gala Mahilagana, Sagaza Mashamana. Ocho Juitili State Forces Navaying Sangda, Tumukong Bamchiwi Ena, Drugs Recover Sahira, Pauhi Infal Times Wena Kakwina.
Hospitality Kala Aviation Luyam Li Otsakavai Worship R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality we branch New Delhi Lila Shohaira Institute China Air Hostess Ground Staff Kala Hospitality we Training Kachang Mati we Mia Pau Mi Gradi Shoda Institute Chiwi Ainatam Gakui candidates Shagatum Lang the reputed airlines Kala corporate sectors li placement Samang Haira Shock the Clay situation li Saklak Ainakui the Institute Chiwi New Delhi branch China Pakamay Job opportunities, color exposure, mathakamay mikavai sara dahang. R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality na free one-way flight to New Delhi, free 30 days accommodation and fooding, full job placement assistance, Mira Chidale. New Delhi branch with direct admission hapokaira, online admission na sapaya. 11 batch with Wang Ningasang Binga Imphal Lila, New Delhi branch Lila Zangbaira. Phone number 700-5970-470 Maningaka, 8800-98179 Feeling Hanpaira. Institution Chiwi Head Office Singjame Yumnam Lekai Imfalila Wangating Kuipaira.
State Road Camarad Lis Hazig High Farmers being with compensation Mishok Kawai Bishnapur District Li Kharay Longmi Sinmi Abun Loop Nala Demand Sahira. Rod Khamra duibang aina lui langpho ga hai mawa ga bai hi ga tha na sa ga hai farmers pingli shorgar na khanga jon luba 38.6 crore mi gi ga jina kha chi state na ariri ma mi shok tu da hangdle Loser Bishnupur district secretary O Jibon Singh na gahang farmers pingwi compensation je ajui director awe alungli ma mi shok akha loser na farmers pingling soda agitation hot hour ngarai gaja demand kala hangkamatin hi reader gogomi farmers wing nala ngawda loser na gogomi farmers wing le kakatom sada phungshok haira Manipur Chief Minister will lyric Hemin Nasi program azingli gajang thuruk wibang free remedial coaching me khawai khangran sahira Chiwibang Shogana Gatamna Bingle admission Sakawang Hotele. Hangda Kalahi state with minority OBC Gala SC communities we Gatamna Bing Vangna. CM's lyric Heminasi program with free remedial coaching Himanipur minorities and OBC economic development societies na implement Sami Gala Department for Welfare of OBC and SC and Department of Minority Affairs na financial assistance mida Mokokmia. Class 8 na hapog laga 10 aina tangda wibang CM's lyric Heminasi program with free remedial coaching institute being district na today dali haimida ukruli cell sanyao academy of innovation learning pungridangli rungmira Infal East, Infal West, Damenglong, Kakching, Taubal, Bishnupur, Jantir, Churajanpur, Lila empaneled worship hemiserle. Classes 11, 8 and 12 wibang program G Infal East, West, Bishnupur, Galatobal Mangli Hemira. Coaching G class 8 to 10 wibang English, Mathematics, Gala Science, Tamchitera. Classes 11 to 12 English, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Gala Biology Damra. Total course Kajang Taruk Zangra. Maram Hikup Maida Gala application form and a scheme guidelines website www.manipur.kerman.inli Sampang Baira. Application J Office of the Manipur Secretary Mobet's first floor Secure Office Building South Wing Eddy Line North AOZ Imphali Misangi Gajina. Form Ajui Director the Turuk Mararang Lakami Baira. Email remobet@gmail.com lila Vami Baira. Coaching classes he katam kashuli ngazanda claiming le kanghui khawai kasana katam naw gapang ko khui shimkru income level kala atumna borikali kasak samgapang jang athishura khirami ki gijina class 8 to 10 we coaching chui wang class avuli mi hangmati ena rinda si chakha magamang le da hanga Myanmar Shong Rakhine State with Security Zakshida Clay Tater Indian Region now being Ngashur Kawai Ministry of External Affairs Najishat Haira Rakhine Lida Clay Indian Region now being the Hanung Holo La Chiva Kashap Aina Dang the Maba Kawai Salu the External Affairs Najishat Haira Twiga Haika Jang Kanigatum with Alung Lee Rakhine State sang the Myanmar way upon at the day the Rod Kamra Chukhaira Ajagum Datra Hawi Aina Hapoglaga armed ethnic groups na ruling Jundali Kangasungwi Ngakap Kangarog Rashok Shumhaira Itum the Tay Myanmar Junda 2021 Marun Gachangwe and Angalay Chui Pangshap Singh the election former state councillor Aung San Suu Kyi National League for Democracy na Matalaga na Kayui Sampanglala election Jim Mashmi Mitua Myanmar military chunda ina rebels being kangarali Myanmarese Shibai Draka India Shongyam Gagale Rod Kamral alongli Myanmar with security situation Zakashi Janbao Ngatu Kangarog telecommunication link hub Kankana Odur Kangajab Hikata hi Sampangda Yari Kajot Sampangdale Pakistan chong election with Rod Kamarad alongli mi magada phangati sanghaira aya Pakistan we Balochistan province li khalai election office khani li bomb hersangda mi magada phangathiawa hangmadi da khani sajahawa ngalai ju general elections ad sagidal khalaina Ochot Kareli Bishin District Shong independent candidate Avandir Khan Gagarwe officially bomb herkasangli mi tharada shiniti tumra sajahawa Jiwi Aina Bung Makai Makala Gila Abdullah Abamli Jamaid Aluma Ishla Pakistan we election office the bomb Thagazangna mi jishat satathaw tharada khani sajahawa Ara itumna gajishat nganangramsa Ukrul Prungedangli Kharay, Ukrul Central School admission Adam Ngajongogida, Ningasangatamna Abuva Bing Liming John Sakhavai Kakatong Sadale, Worshim Jiliming John Sakhavai, Ajui Tarik Jigona, Kanawa Zimik Shong Sara, Jithada Sada, Ajakum Gagasaping, La Ajukum Gatam Nagatar, Sada Gagi Gajibing, Psychorana admission Katagwe Alungli Samilo de Kangot Sadle. Ukrul Central School with Principal Robert Maiden Bao Kamili Kahang, Worshim Jili, Ajugum with order admission he 1,261 Kahaira. Ukrul Central School Ijishutmer teaching gala non-teaching staff Hangmati Gada Lay the Hanga. Latluida Ajui Kam Tayo Baobing. Ukrul District League Kharay the Tone Enterprise where asing the paper manufacturing industry hub Pokaira. Indo Myanmar nga vipin roga jili makamya dra khanang wa haila center shukana ditak manga jethura Arunachal Pradesh ena Manipur le pilot projects hapokhaira Sugar Department Cycle with Craven Street Result Platform Semda India with one nation one border shohaira Aju bao healing a jangaira bao another claim to cycle ring a pazimik shong sa sereno